Hi everybody. Your final unit assignment is asking you to kind of find biographical information about the various people that the streets in Seattle are named after, and or doing your best to, and then writing a paragraph and kind of charting that information on a map. And so this map is going to be where you kind of chart some of that information. And so just a little bit about the layout of this. So this is a program called ZeeMaps, and you'll see here that there's the title and then the description. If you click on the description here, will just have a little of a reminder about if you couldn't remember how to code, right? Because remember that you're going to be charting this using a color coding, right? So whether the person is like a white man, a white woman, black man, black woman, and so on. And so if you're trying to remember what colors to code, you can look back to the descriptions, and there's also that table in your instructions. And then once you're done looking at this description, just click this check mark, put it back here. So what you're going to be doing is that once you've typed up your bio, you're going to include it on this map. And how you do that is you're going to go here to additions, and you're going to select this thing right here that says add marker / detailed. Right? So once you click on that, it'll take you to this like kind of add entry box. And in the entry name, you're going to enter the name of the person. So let's say, I don't know, you had Finney Avenue. You wouldn't just write Finney, you would add like the full name of the person, right? And then / and then your name. Right? So that way I know that it was you and I can give you credit for this assignment. And in the location, you're going to enter the street name, right? So in this case, it would be Finney, and you see Finney Avenue North pops up. So you just click on that so that it maps. And then we'll just leave it here for right now. But the marker here is the coloring, right? So say the person is a white man, then you would do red, and then purple for a white woman, and so on. You follow that chart, right, according to the race and gender of the person. And so then that's kind of the basic information. You can also go, then what you're going to do is you're going to go to details. And in details, where this description box right here, this is where you're going to enter in your biography. So that one paragraph that you wrote, enter it here. Okay, enter it in this box. Just copy and paste it. And then finally, there's media. Right? So if you say found a photo of the person, right? And if you found a photo, I want you to try to find a photo. And if you find it, I want you to include it here. You'll have to save it to your computer and then go to choose file. Let's see. Let me find a picture for sake of doing this. You go to file, go to, let's see. Why not? There we go. Just for sake of that it's done. You pick your photo, you upload it, and then you click submit. And it'll say your new entry has been added. You go okay, you close out, and then we can zoom in a little bit. That will be there, right? So when you hover over that, you'll see the come up, and then if you click on it, you'll have the title, the location, the photo that you uploaded, and your description should be somewhere around here. Okay, and this is how I want you charting this. And I want you to really pay attention to the coloring and the charting of this. I really want you to follow that graph. Don't ignore that part, because we're gonna when we come to class on Tuesday, we're gonna kind of look at this chart. You'll have a chance to look at what you put down and what everyone else put down. You're all putting down on the same map, and we're gonna see what kind of patterns and stuff emerge. So this is how you map it. This is how you're going to put your assignment on this particular map here. And yeah, if you run into any issues or encounter any issues, just let me know and we'll figure that out. All right, thanks.